This is now about 5:30 in the evening, and you can hear the blackbird. As far as I know, it's a blackbird. I think this is Turdus Mariela, of course. You can hear it in the distance there. It was right here, but then it flew off. Sad to say. But yeah, it's in these branches, and what was that? What they were. You can hear it now. I've got a feeling that that's not a. I don't think that is a blackbird. It's not melodic enough. So I've got a feeling that's a robin, as I was saying before, but if only I could see it. Very similar to a blackbird, actually. There it is again. I'm just going to see if it's going to fly by as soon as I can. Confirm that it is a robin. Given that it's the evening, it does suggest that it would be the blackbird, because it does like to come out in the evening and sing, which I don't think can be said of the robin, but I'm not sure about that. Anyway, around here I saw, I think was a bird of prey. Either it was it was astonishing. It was in someone's garden. It looked like either a Gaia falcon, or it could possibly be a hobby. I think it was a hobby. So either a Aegypti nissus. No, sorry, Hobbius Phocosabuteo. Excuse me. No, it was either sparrowhawk or a Gaia hawk. Right. So it was either what they call it, Phocosabuteo, which is a no. That's Phocosabuteo. That's a hobby. Right. So it was either a hobby Phocosabuteo, or it was a Gaia falcon. What's this? A Gaia falcon. Anyway, I can't remember the word. Or it was a hobby. Sorry, a sparrowhawk, and that's Aegypti nissus. Look at that, beautiful sparrows. They were Sturnus vulgaris. It was either Aegypti nissus, which is a sparrowhawk, or it was Aegypti gentilis, which is the goshawk. Right, that's right. Anyway, here we go. Look, and that falcon was in someone's garden, incredibly, here in East Sussex. Now that kind of tells me that it's possibly a thrush, maybe a song thrush. There it is. It's beautiful. That it does suggest that's not a blackbird, but a song thrush. There we go again. So it's behind me. In there. You would think it was a blackbird, but I just don't think it's quite got the flourishes that a blackbird has. It's got that kind of skylark-esque sound, that unearthly kind of sound, which suggests to me it's a thrush, a song thrush. Anyhow, I'm afraid I can't pinpoint the bird. It's a bit dark, etc. Anyway, yeah, I mean, this is where there's quite a lot of bird life on this walk. It's quite nice to hear them, to hear their calls, and it's obviously going to get better and better. So there's nothing else for the time being, but that's just a sort of a sample of what the bird life is like in the evening, which is obviously not as good as in the morning, but it's still quite refreshing to hear these lovely calls. And, I think that was a thrush. Some thrush, obviously. So much more common than this thrush. And as far as I remember, that scientific name is Turdus melodica for the missel thrush, surprisingly, not the song thrush. I can't remember what it is for the song thrush, nor what it is for the it was one of these houses here, there was a falcon, or rather, I think it was a sparrowhawk, Echiptenissus. It was quite big, so it was quite far away, it was difficult to tell. It's possible as apparently they're the most common of falcons. Possible, but it was hard to see. It was quite a way away. So until next time, on the fascinating bird walks, which is a new hobby of mine. But I've always been interested in birds. The street lamps are coming on, so possibly there'll be some of those pipstrels. Right about this time, darting around the lights. There are our main bat that we have here. Tiny things. And it's almost as if, I'm pretty sure it is the fact that these birds seagulls. So this Laron argentatus is a green one here. It's a herring gull, big legs. Also lesser blackback gulls. Green legs. Greater blackback gulls. We have also some common gulls and so forth. So on the point, great or greater, we do have lesser spotted woodpecker and great spotted woodpeckers. And remember that it's only the great spotted woodpeckers that have the red. Sound like it. That's a blackbird, I'm sure. That wasn't what we heard before. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a blackbird. Yeah, yeah, that's not what we heard before. See how melodic it is. That is Turdus marula. Sighting of it. What a beautiful call. It's incredible. That was great. Listen to that. I've got it there. You see it? So there we go. At least we got one sighting. And see you next time. Bye bye.